Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's slokas for morning and evening Deeparadhana. Subham karoti kalyanam.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम्
Arogyam dhana sampadaha.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Shatru buddhi vinashaya.
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय
Deepajyotir namostute.
दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते
Om. Subham karoti kalyanam. Arogyam dhana sampadaha. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya. Deepajyotirnamostute. Deepajyoti parabrahma.
दीपज्योति परब्रह्मा
Deepajyoti janardana.
दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दन
Deepo me haratu papam.
दीपो मे हरतु पापम्
Sandhya deepa namostute.
सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते
Om. Deepajyoti parabrahma. Deepajyoti janardana. Deepo me haratu papam. Sandhya deepa namostute. Meaning of the slokas. Morning Deeparadhana sloka. Subham karoti kalyanam. May this lamp bring good luck and well-being. Arogyam dhana sampada. May it bless us with health and wealth. Shatru buddhi vinashaya. May it destroy the evil thoughts. Deepajyoti namostute. I bow to the divine light of the lamp. Evening Deeparadhana sloka. Deepajyoti parabrahma. The light of the lamp is the supreme Brahman. Deepajyoti janardana. The light represents Lord Janardana, Vishnu. Deepo me haratu papam. May this lamp remove all my sins and negativity. Sandhya deepa namostute. I bow to the sacred evening lamp. Namaste.